Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to refund an app in App Store. Let's begin. So say for example, you purchase an app and then say you encounter a problem or some issues and you wish to process or request a refund. There is a way for you to do that for iPhone users, okay? So how you're gonna do that? You just need to go to this URL, reportaproblem.apple.com. So once you're there, guys, it would actually prompt you to log in your Apple ID. If your phone is already set up with Apple ID and you just need to put in your password for Apple ID before you could actually put it here. So once you're already on this page, you could just select if you want to request a refund, report a quality issue, or report a scam or fraud, or if you want to report offensive or illegal or abusive content. So in this case, we want to request a refund. Then tell us more. Say this is, pretty much your reason and how to request for a refund. So I did not mean to buy this. Child minor made purchase without permission. I guess this is pretty much the most common if you have kids. In-app purchase not received. So say for example, I would want to choose this one. Okay. So here there's like a reminder that if let's say this app would be refunded, so you may be able you will lose access on on these refunded items. So however, this one I don't have any ad purchases. So for instance, I would need to search for what app. I don't know, whatever app would I have. You can actually just choose any app here that you purchased and it would show up. And then once you have that, this would actually lit up the submit button, guys. So just click on that and then that's pretty much how you would, request for a refund for the app. So there. I hope you learned something today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.